Hi, and welcome to The Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York. Working title.
It's the Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York.
Yeah. With your host, Kyle Jurassic. And wine. And dogs. Oh, there's Quinn. Lena's right here. I'm actually petting her right now. She's real cute. She did try to eat poop today, though, so that's gross. Ooh, I think that I found myself a poop eater. Today we are drinking the Dreaming Tree. It is a Cabernet Sauvignon. I'm pretty sure one of my brothers got this for my wife for Christmas, so sorry, babe, for drinking your wine. Today we're going to talk about the EMC program. What is EMC? How do I join? And why do I want to? EMC stands for the Equity Membership Candidate Program. It is a means by which you can join the Actors Equity Association, the union for stage actors in America. America, yeah, unions. We was founded on unions. How to join EMC? You join the EMC program by working at an equity theater in a non-union capacity that is participating in the EMC program. You can find a list of these programs. I'll actually link to it in the space below. There's a PDF you can get from the Actors Equity Association website that I believe is up to date. The way that EMC works is every week you work at a participating theater, you get 1 point. And in order to join the union, you need 25 points. Your weeks never expire. Now, the rules just changed a few months ago. You used to have to work 50 weeks in order to join. Now you can join after 25 weeks, but you don't have to join after 25 weeks. After you hit 50 weeks, you have 5 years to join the union, but if you decide not to join the union after those 5 years are up, you lose all of your points, and I don't believe that you're eligible to participate in the EMC program again. I don't know anybody who has ever completed the program and then been like, well, 5 years are up, guess I'm going to just not get my card. Because it's not worth it. Because a lot of people will tell you that it is worth it. It is worthwhile to join the union. Actors Equity Association has a lot of perks, making appointments for auditions, health insurance. So, that being said, how do I get into an equity theater if I can't get seen at an equity principal audition? Or regional theaters are having equity calls in New York City, and all they're looking for is equity actors. How can I get my EMC card? This is a very, very common question. My recommendation, find an equity theater near where you grew up, or near where your parents live, or near somewhere where you can crash on somebody's couch for a few weeks while you're doing a gig. Find those theaters, figure out what their season is, submit to them directly, and try to get appointments, and mention that you have local housing. Regional theaters try to save money by hiring non-union actors, and they definitely save money by hiring non-union actors that they don't have to house. Because theater is not a money-making business, necessarily, especially regional theaters that are doing the good work and bringing the arts to their regions. So, find those theaters. When I decided I'm not going back to New York City without my EMC card, I found all of the local theaters in Michigan that I had local housing for and started auditioning for all of them. I was living in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids, woo! I don't know why I'm pointing up. It's like that way. Grand Rapids is great. Found Farmers Alley Theater. I found Mason Street Warehouse, at the Purple Rose, Jewish Ensemble Theater. There are so many theaters all over the United States that are participating in the Equity Membership Program. You just got to grind. You got to audition for these theaters and let them know your name, let them know your work ethic, let them know what you're capable of. Become familiar with those theaters. It took me, I think, 5 years to do my first show at Farmers Alley. And then I got to do 3 shows with them, and it was great. The value of EMC, I've covered it in another video. You can click on it right here if you want to watch that. Being EMC is great because you can go to an EPA and you have a higher priority than you do if you're just non-union. If you're in a show that is offering you entrance into the EMC program, pay the $100 to join the EMC program. There's like literally no downside at all. If you can find a downside, write it in the comments below. If you have any questions about this channel that you would like me to answer, write in the comments below. Or, if you just want to, make fun of the way I look. Because that's what the internet is for. Trolls. Starring Anna Kendrick and Justin Timberlake. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle Jurassic. This has been the Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York City. Working title. Working title. Chase your dreams. Be awesome.